What if I told you two college friends turned a simple idea by a village river into a thriving fish farming business that now feeds their entire community?
This is the story of how we discovered aquaculture could transform not just our lives, but our whole village's economy, and how we built it step by step.
Walking back from college that day, seeing those villagers fishing in our seasonal river, something clicked. Why were we traveling so far just to buy fish?
When Raj said we should start fish culture, I thought he was crazy. But then I realized, this river dries up every year. What if we could create something permanent?
The next morning, we grabbed our shovels and headed to our family's field. We had no idea we were about to start a revolution.
Our first pond was tiny, maybe 10 by 15 feet. We bought 50 fingerlings from the nearest hatchery, 2 hours away by bus.
3 months later, those fish had grown beautifully. We sold our first batch to the local supermarket for triple what we invested.
That's when we knew we had something special. But why stop at just fish? Our research showed eels, crabs, and even octopus could thrive in partition systems.
We expanded our pond and created separate sections using nets. Each species had its own perfect environment.
The key is water quality management. Test pH weekly, maintain proper oxygen levels, and feed each species according to their specific nutritional needs.
Within a year, we were supplying 3 supermarkets and 2 restaurants. Our monthly profit went from zero to over 15,000 rupees.
Ready to start your own fish culture? Begin with a simple pond. Choose hardy species like catfish or tilapia. And remember, consistency in care creates consistent profits.
Our little idea didn't just change our lives, it transformed our entire village. Now dozens of families have their own fish farms, and no one goes hungry during the dry season.
Whether you're in a village or the city, aquaculture offers sustainable income and food security. Start small, think big, and remember, every expert was once a beginner. If you like our video, please subscribe.